Hello, welcome to SkyText channel. Today I would like to show you how to append two datasets. That is, for example, let's say that you're having two Excel sheets that are having common values and same columns, and you want to merge the two datasets into one common dataset. So let's dive in and see how it's done in Microsoft Power BI. We'll go to Get Data. We'll be working with the Excel sheet. I'll go to desktop where my data is located. I'll pick HB Excel sheet and load it. Here's the navigator. I'll check on this sheet 1 and load it. I'll come back again to get data. Again, Excel workbook. I'll click on KS, then open it. It will be loaded after tapping on open. As you can see here, there is navigator. I check on this KS, then load it. Our first file was already loaded, sheet 1, you can see it here. Again, our second sheet KS has been loaded. So I'll go to transform data here, transform data, then the Power Query window will be opened. Once it's opened, you can see on the left side we have sheet 1 and KS sheet and KS file. So I would like to do some transformations on sheet 1. I would like to add a custom column to it and press on number of words. Then I'll go to add column. I'll add a custom column here, custom column. Once you tap on that, you give the column a name. I'll name it county. Then I would like the column to be populated with maybe Nairobi county. Then I click on OK. Once I click on OK, you can see a column has been added and its name county. Just to see how many columns this dataset is having, you can count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'll go to the second dataset that I plotted, that was KS. Again, if you are keen, you can see that it's having similar columns to the sheet 1 dataset. I'll again come here, mark that, then add custom column. I'll give it a name, county. This time round I'll give it a different county name, maybe Mombasa county. Then click on OK. If I click on OK, you can see that a custom column has been added and it's populated with records named Mombasa County. So we have sheet 1, which is having county as Nairobi, and dataset 2, which is having county as Mombasa. So let's assume that we want to put the sheet 1 records and sheet 2 and KS records in one dataset. This is how we are going to go about it. You click on sheet 1 or any dataset that you would like to use, then go to home. In home, go to combine, then append queries. Click on this, click on append queries. Then this window will pop up. Then click on this drop down list and select KS dataset or any dataset that you're using. Then click on OK. Once you've clicked on OK, you can now see that the sheet 1 has the records of KS datasets. As you can see, we now have Nairobi County and Mombasa County in just a single dataset. So this is how you can append two separate datasets. Now, one more thing in this dataset is that you can, if you look at the key column, you realize that the numbers are not consistent on how they're flowing. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want the numbers to flow in a common way. So I'll delete this key column. Then I will go to add column. Then this time I'll go to index column. Then I'll want the numbers to start from 1. You can either decide to start from 0 or from 1, or you can have a custom number at which you want the numbers to start flowing from. So in this case I would like to use from 1. I'll click on this. As you can see now, this column, it has been named index, but I want to rename it to key the way it was. So I'll just double click on key, on index and name it key, and tap enter. I want to put the key column to be the first column. I'll right click on the key column and move to beginning. As you can see now, the key column is the first column and it's running from 1 all the way downwards. Thank you.